It's Friday the 14th, I'm FX Plu and this is CurrencyTransfer.com's market update. And today's headlines are that sterling is up on higher growth forecasts, the euro is also up as Draghi confirms QE withdrawal, and the dollar is down on emerging market rallies. So demonstrating how the market is currently positioned, the slightest piece of good news seems to push sterling higher. Concerns over a hard Brexit means that the wider market is short sterling, betting on the pound falling as the chances of a deal fade. However, the short-term traders seem to attach unreasonable importance to every vaguely positive story, just in case that's the catalyst for the longer-term positions to be liquidated. Yesterday we saw the MPC vote as expected, 9-0 to leave rates unchanged. This was also accompanied by an upgraded forecast for Q3 GDP from 0.4 to 0.5%. And with further rumours around a breakthrough on the Irish border, it pushed cable up through recent resistance at 130.80 through to fresh highs at 131.25. After the ECB meeting, Mario Draghi delivered a fairly positive outlook for the Eurozone economy, and he also confirmed that the asset purchase scheme would be withdrawn as planned. Bond purchases under the scheme will be halved to 15 billion euros a month from October, and assuming plans don't change in the interim, the scheme will probably be wound down in January 2019. The euro rallied on the news, rallied into a weakening dollar and reached a high of 117. So the trade war and Turkey have affected the global risk appetite yesterday. Further talks with China are yet to be finalised, the date's yet to be agreed, but there's also been no further mention of new tariffs. So this is leading to a perception, or a hope at least, of thawing the relations between China and the US. And meanwhile, Turkey raised their interest rates to, wait for it, 24%. They're obviously determined to halt the decline in their currency, and that helped support other emerging market currencies as well. As a result, the dollar index dropped and we saw it fall to 94.45. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next week.